welcome guys, it's Trendy Styles Forever. Keep watching.
Hi there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this video. A wonderful knotless braid right there, boho style. Of course, you can definitely see lots of amazing braids hairstyle right here. Stay tuned. Don't be disturbed. Don't be worried. You're sure to find something really amazing as you watch on. We're talking about 100 plus gorgeous and stylish braid hairstyles for ladies in 2025. It's a wonderful year to look good on a long braid hairstyle. We have variations of ideas for you when it comes to long braided hairstyle looks. You'll see variations and different types of braids hairstyles, very stylish braid hairstyles for wedding in case you have a party around the corner and you're wondering what braid hairstyle look to go for. This should surely help you and cover you with lots of amazing ideas that should give you great inspiration to look good. If you're in South Africa, you're in East Africa or Southern Africa, you're definitely gonna love one or two of these styles right here, because most of these hairstyles that you're seeing right here is also actually coming from within your location. You are definitely going to be rocking any of these styles. Of course, if you want the handle of the creative hairstylist talking about the braider, you definitely let us know in the comment section and we'll surely point you to the direction that you need to go to. Lovely and amazing styles right here all through. Stay tuned to all that we'll be bringing forward to you this year. It's all about you looking good. It's all about you knowing that these styles exist and of course trying them out for yourself. Let's hear how you feel about the video in the comment section. Do well to subscribe, leave us a like and share your thought on the comment section. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.